Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Extreme GFX. Today I am going to show you how you can replace the sky of your image within 2 clicks. So stay tuned in the video till end. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you can get the notifications as soon as I upload a new video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, you need to unlock the layer by clicking here. Now, the first click is select. Go to select and select the sky option. You can see the sky is selected. Now go to edit menu and select the sky replacement. Here are the number of options you can see. So you can see the option which was selected, the sky has been changed accordingly. You can change the sky as well by clicking this arrow. Here you can see number of skies and you can select the sky of your desire. Let me select this option for the instance. Here it is, and I can select this option as well. Okay, it's looking fine. So I am pressing OK button. You can see we have changed the sky of this image by 2 simple clicks. Very easy, very convenient. I hope this video would be helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. And in the last, don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.